Well, spring must be here. My ginger's coming up. Hi, this is Robbie from Southern California, and today all I'm going to do is get some of my ginger set up. I got some of it planted already and some of it not. So I think I'm going to plant 3 more pots. Just going to gently put it in the middle. No big deal. I took off what I wanted and I'm freezing some of it. Let's see. Well, checking out the soil, looks pretty good. Yep, soil looks really good. I'm going to pick out the ones I want to grow. I think I'm going to grow this one. I'm going to put the ginger towards the front on my table because the ginger gets so big. I'm going to put this one in here. This one's already, looks like it might be starting to grow. Now what I'm going to do with the rest that I'm not going to plant, I think I'll put 3 pieces in here. I'm going to freeze it. A lot of people say, oh, but you can dry it and all that. Of course you can. You can put it in a dehydrator and you can dry it and then you can turn it into a powder. Gary and I prefer it frozen, and then when I take it out, let's say I'm going to make some ginger cookies or something. I think that's really good for in here. I'm going to cover the top with some, I have a lot of broken down wood chips, so I'm just going to cover it with that. We like it frozen because when you take it out and it's frozen, you can grate it and it tastes just like fresh. So everybody likes it differently. Powder is just so easy to go buy. It's so cheap to buy powder. But I like it frozen. That's just the way we like it. I might powder some one day, but right now I prefer frozen. Okay, so those 2 are done. Okay, and then we've got this one. Let's put a little bit more. I want to make sure it's kind of covered pretty good, because whatever you put on top, once you start watering it, that will come to the surface. I'll put that one also back there. And I'll know that the first one is my ginger. Do I have one more? I thought I had one more. I guess it is this one. Yeah. This is the last one. Let's see, make sure that there's nothing else in here. Yeah, that's it. Nope. I want to make sure I harvested it all, which I did. Now I'll take that piece. I think it's safe. I can leave outside now. We haven't been getting freezing. We sometimes have days, just such a beautiful piece to eat. You know what? I'm just going to plant that one because I can go take it anytime I want. Maybe I'll freeze the rest of it, or maybe I'll plant the small container somewhere or put some on my deck. That's it. That's how easy it is. Just want to cover the surface. Now I'll give it a light watering, and I'll probably only water it right now once a week because we're still cool. Like I said, in the morning we've been 45, and once we hit 50, then we know everything is safe and we can start to grow. Let's put this here, and that is pretty much it for my ginger. But that's how easy it is to plant ginger. You just pick out the pieces you want, and then as far as harvesting it, you don't have to wait to do a harvest. You could literally, if you're in a warmer area, you could just go in there and cut off what you want, or pull the whole plant out, cut off what you want and put it back in. It's that easy to harvest. I just wanted to see how much we grew. I've got more in Gary's back room, and I'm starting to set up outside because I think spring's going to be here before we know it. So that's it. Just wanted to kind of bring you with me and show you how I was going to plant my ginger back. Bye-bye. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.